Okay, it's beer o'clock, or in my case, it's wine o'clock. And I can't resist it. I've got to just check this gasser out, man. I can't wait. I just can't wait. So, let's put him on Mount Western Raceway and see how it goes. I reckon this is going to blow my mind. I'm on my phone, so, you know, it is how it is. Sorry, I've just got to find this thing here. My little trusty, you know, set them off. Here we go. The gasser. Its first run on Mount Western Raceway. Holy moly. Oh, it stacked it. Too much speed. Let's go again. Let's go again. I'm not giving up until he can do the run. Hang on. Here we go. Here we go. The gasser. Second run. Holy moly, Batman. He has speed like you wouldn't believe. That's unbelievable. Let's go again. Let's go again. Where do we find more of these guys? Oh, this is all I want to do is race gassers. This thing is lightning fast. This is unbelievable. Here we go. Oh, spin out. He has too much speed for Mount Western Raceway. Let's go again. Just bear with me. This is how I race, by the way. This is how it happens. Going in backwards. Well, I'm blown away by the gasser. Blown away. Drag strip gasser. Oh, I've got to find more of these. This just races so quickly on Mount Western Raceway. Unfriggin' believable. Go the gasser.